Most people show up for Walmart grocery pickup expecting their order to be ready on time. Then they see the worst message possible. Not ready. Still being prepared. Here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, it is not a glitch or a failure. It is usually a timing issue, stock delay, or a check-in mistake. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to fix the Walmart grocery pickup not ready problem in 2026 step by step, so you can avoid waiting and get your order faster next time. Let's break it down clearly. First, Walmart grocery pickup runs through the Walmart app. Your order status updates there in real time, but it depends on store preparation speed and item availability. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not ready does not always mean something is wrong. It often just means your pickup window has not been fully processed yet. So let's go step by step to fix and prevent it. First, check your pickup time. If you arrive too early, your order may still be in preparation. Walmart typically prepares orders close to your selected time slot, not immediately after purchase. Now imagine someone like Alex. He schedules pickup for 5 p.m., but arrives at 4:15 p.m. His order shows not ready because the store has not started final staging yet. But here's the problem most people miss. They assume arriving early makes things faster, but in reality, it can make the order look delayed when it is actually on schedule. Now, let's go deeper. Open your Walmart app and check your order status. If it shows delayed or in progress, it usually means an item is missing or being substituted. Substitutions are another major reason for delays. If an item is out of stock, staff may wait for approval or find alternatives before marking your order as ready. Now here's what you can do to fix it quickly. If you are already at the store, use the pickup check-in feature in the app, or call the number displayed at the pickup zone. This alerts staff that you have arrived and can sometimes speed up preparation. Another key fix is communication. If your order is significantly delayed, customer service can split or adjust the order so available items are released faster. Now let's simplify everything. Walmart grocery pickup not ready usually happens because of early arrival, item substitutions, or store preparation delays. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They assume the system is broken and leave, when in reality the order is still being processed and would have been ready shortly. So the smart approach is simple. Always check your pickup window, arrive at the correct time, and use the app to track real-time status instead of guessing. Once you understand how timing works, most not ready issues become easy to avoid. So here's the final takeaway. Walmart grocery pickup delays are usually timing or stock related, not system errors. The app gives you the truth if you know how to read it. If this helped you understand how to fix Walmart grocery pickup not ready issues, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides like this.